anywhere. Thank you, sir. It's 7 o'clock, it's already packed. We're gonna dig into this pile right here. All right, so first up is a little fuller wood chisel, about 7.5 inches long. Now, hey, just before I get into all this, I went him out of the car, went 3 booths down or 3 setups down, and a gentleman was selling his father-in-law's tools, and everything I got was for $1. So I ended up getting like 21 items from him. This here's got a hole drilled through it. I guess you can hang it up, but it's old Stanley number 264 level. Got this other little level from him. It's magnetic. It's a newer one, but little torpedo level. See, picked up these vice grip clamps. Missing the spring. Fix that. She's good to go. I mean, $1. Again, $1 for all this. Each one of these. Let's see. Took all 3 that he had of these. Little straight line, metal, chalk lines. I just like them. My dad had one, and I still got it. String's hard to pull out of it, and I still use it. But anyways, got 3 of those. Oh, and the feller had he was a Lufkin fan, so I picked up 3 of these little 25-foot tapes. Bolden was his G. Bolden was his these guys' names, scratching all of them. So, but I can leave one of these in a vehicle, because you always need one when you're out in a vehicle. So let's see what else. Mallet head axe there. Couple utility knives, little Stanley USA, number 10, 189, and then it's Lewis, which I really liked it. I don't have one like that. I thought that's pretty neat. So that will clean up nicely. Got 2 little hammer staplers. This arrow one, I'm not sure if I'll get that clean or not. It's rusted pretty good. This one, duo fast, automatic hammer. Oh, there's a better sticker. Franklin Park, Illinois, model 100. So anyways, I don't have one of these and been wanting one. This one looks like it might do the trick. Little welding rod patch. He said that his father-in-law had probably had most of this stuff from the 50s and 60s. So I like that for $1. Hang it up, put long screwdrivers in around my bench. Another little Craftsman leather pouch. He wrote his name on everything. Craftsman 40464. Got a Sears tag on there. Look at there. A little Sears tag. So a little leather pouch there. And another little leather. I really like this one. A tool belt. Again for $1. I mean, we can condition that up, soften up a little bit. I'm gonna use it to, I like mounting these things up near my bench and putting all the tools that I use doing all this restoration stuff in the bag. And I finally got me one of these. Urbana, Ohio, Desmond #1. I think I seen this on Scout Crafters page. If I ain't mistaken, this cleans up the grinding wheel on your bench grinders. And I didn't have one, but I thought they were cool looking. And patent 0 is what it says on there. Pat 0. But I got me one now. That'll clean up nice, make a nice little video maybe. Let's see what else. This little big old clamp. It's right at almost 8 inches. The throat on it's 6 and a quarter. So I just like the way the deepness of it. So pick that up. And probably picked up my first plane. Stanley 110. If I ain't mistaken, Magdad told me if I seen one of these to grab one. They're pretty plain simple. I have yet to attempt to restore a plane. So I will probably tackle this one. It's not in bad shape at all. I like how that's chrome. So anyways, made in the US. So I got that for $1. And then went on all that right there was from the one feller who was selling, pretty much was tired of getting rid of his father-in-law stuff and just said, hey, anything you get, you know, for $1. And I just started grabbing stuff then. But then I ran to a guy, picked up this little Bonnie 1167 wrench. For my boy Retro Rob. So I'll probably get that off to him and some other stuff I got for him. And then when I was leaving out, ran into a guy and came across this little 1/4 inch. It's 5 inches long, and this made my day. It's a 4749 plum pebbled. It needs some cleaning to it, that's for sure. But picked it up. The guy said he wanted $3 for it, and I wasn't even going to argue, and went to go pay him. I only had 2 $1 bills, and I had a 20. He didn't have change. He said, well, I guess you got it for 2. And I said, well, I appreciate that, and went on about my business. And that, my friends, is it. So short and sweet. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all. Time just to update my old sticker board. Me and Mr. Tom Gunn, we swapped some stickers. Klein Tools. World has enough guys to be a man. That's always a good one. And he's got a cool sticker. Check these fellas out on Instagram or YouTube. This guy here's got an awesome motorcycle helmet I just saw, and does a good work on Instagram. Go check him out. And he's got great taste in music. Me and him like the same stuff. Let's see who else. Oh, one of the most, I guess, sought after stickers, I guess, is from Rosie's Restorations. She was kind enough to do a trade with me. She got cool stickers. You'll check her out. And then Mr. Ben, the 2 Addict, he sent me just a smorgasbord of stickers, and just a super guy. And you want to talk about a tool collection, this guy's got it. And super nice guy. These guys talk funny, but They are USA approved. So that's Mr. Ben. Mr. Iron, this guy loves soda, Cokes and peanuts. He does. You watch me. He's got a video of him drinking and doing that. So he's good. Jack Shed's always has good restorations and tool hauls, little restores. He's pretty good. He gets his kid involved. His videos are fun to watch. Hand tool restorations. He does this guy does vices like crazy, and he'll sneak in your shop and steal your stuff if you don't watch out. But here's just a few items that was sent to me. Mr. Clifford, everybody knows him as Doughboy 356. Sent me a little button and his channel sticker, and look at this little sweet little deal. See if y'all can see that. He is so talented. He makes these out of quarters, and sent me one, and man, I appreciate it, Mr. Clifford. Thank you so much. And then we have Awkward Antiques. He's on Instagram. Sent me a nice letter, and I've been looking for 9/16 pebbled plumb wrench, and I collect wizard tools as well. Sent me a nice 9/16 1/2-inch wizard box, little 11/16 3/4 plumb pebble wrench or spanner, and then my 9/16 plumb to finish that little set that I had done in video 11. Nice little wizard socket, or 1/2-inch, and then man, I want you to look at these rascals. Ain't these the coolest thing? I mean, I've never, little wizards. I mean, these are slick right there. Man, that's just pretty nice. Man, I like that. Things are, right at 4 inches. Maybe a little over 4 1/4. But Mr. John at Awkward Antiques, buddy, I appreciate you. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate all the sticker swaps. I'm gonna put them on the board, and let's keep trading out. I like it. Thank y'all.